Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best 3D printers on AliExpress in 2026? From ultra-detailed resin printers to high-speed multicolor machines, these 3D printers offer incredible performance for hobbyists, creators, engineers, and professionals. Here are the top 5 best 3D printers worth checking out this year. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono 4 AE version LCD UV Resin 3D Printer. The Anycubic Photon Mono 4 AE is an excellent resin 3D printer designed for users who want highly detailed and professional quality prints. It features a 7-inch 10K high-definition screen that delivers sharp edges, smooth textures, and impressive accuracy for miniatures, figures, and complex models. The printer also supports high-speed printing technology for faster production times. Pros: stunning 10K print resolution, high-speed resin printing performance, excellent detail and surface quality, compact and beginner-friendly design. If you want amazing detail and professional-looking resin prints at an affordable price, the Photon Mono 4 AE is one of the best choices available in 2026. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra S1 Speedy 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra S1 is built for users who want speed, precision, and reliability. With its stable CoreXY structure and ultra-fast printing speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, this printer is capable of producing high-quality prints in far less time than traditional machines. Its quiet operation and easy setup make it suitable for both beginners and experienced users who want a modern, high-performance 3D printer. Pros: ultra-fast 600 millimeters per second printing speed, stable CoreXY structure for accurate prints, quiet and smooth operation, easy setup and user-friendly controls. The Kobra S1 is a fantastic option for creators looking for a fast and reliable 3D printer for everyday projects and rapid prototyping. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra 3 Max Multicolor 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Max is designed for users who need a massive build volume and advanced multicolor printing capabilities. With its huge 500 by 420 by 420 millimeter build area, it's ideal for cosplay props, large engineering parts, and oversized creative projects. The multicolor printing system allows creators to produce colorful models without constant filament changes, while the smart app controls make the printing experience even more convenient. Pros: massive build volume for large projects, multicolor printing support, high-speed printing up to 600 millimeters per second, smart app connectivity and controls. For creators who want large-scale printing with advanced color features, the Kobra 3 Max is one of the most impressive 3D printers on AliExpress right now. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra 3 Max Smart App Control Version. This version of the Kobra 3 Max focuses on convenience and productivity. It combines powerful large-format printing with smart app monitoring and control, allowing users to manage prints remotely and track progress more easily. The printer is designed for users who want a professional-level machine with modern smart features and reliable high-speed performance. Pros: large professional-grade build size, smart app monitoring and control, fast and efficient printing system, excellent for advanced and large-scale projects. The Kobra 3 Max Smart App version is perfect for users who want a balance of power, convenience, and advanced connectivity features. Number 5. Anycubic Kobra S1 Max Combo Multicolor 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra S1 Max Combo is one of the most advanced printers in this lineup. It supports ultra-fast 600 millimeters per second multicolor printing and advanced materials thanks to its powerful 350 degrees Celsius hot end and hardened steel nozzle. Its large 350 by 350 by 350 millimeter build area provides plenty of room for ambitious projects, while the durable components make it ideal for serious creators and professionals. Pros: multicolor printing capability. 350 degrees Celsius hot end supports advanced materials. Hardened steel nozzle for durability. Large build volume with high-speed performance. The CoreXY S1 Max combo is an outstanding choice for advanced users who want professional-level speed, versatility, and material compatibility. So, those were the top 5 best 3D printers on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you want ultra-detailed resin printing, huge build sizes, or ultra-fast multicolor performance, these 3D printers offer some of the best value and features available today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which 3D printer is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.